welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? This is Gilly James again. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, this is your first time stopping by my channel and seeing me, guys, don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. And if you're a returning viewer, I say thank you very much. I see you guys. Anyways, today guys, I want to do a popular snack. It's called egg roll. It's Nigerian Cameroon kind of snack. You guys will be seeing more of like a Nigerian Cameroon kind of thing because it's like two countries combined together. Lots of people, when they do the egg roll, is not cooked inside, or maybe when they're frying it, it just turns to black color. It's just burned without cooking inside. Anyway guys, I'm going to show you my tricks and tips on how I do my perfect egg roll. If you want to see how I do my egg roll, follow me to my kitchen and let's do this together. Guys, I'm using table salt, just quarter teaspoon of salt. I use baking powder, 1 spoon of baking powder. Sugar, this is like 3/4 cup of sugar. The sugar depends on you. If you want it sweet, you can use more sugar. Also use nutmeg. You first of all mix all the dry ingredients. Together before you mix the wet ingredients. So guys, I'll be using just 1 spoon of butter. Either it can be butter or margarine. This is margarine. This is where a lot of people do mistake. They use it more and the egg roll doesn't turn out nice. So after mixing all your dry ingredients, then you can now mix your wet ingredients. This is 500 grams of flour, guys. I forget to mention that. The next thing I'll be adding is going to be my egg. This is 2 eggs. And this is half glass of milk. I'm going to mix that up. Okay guys, this is my egg. Already boil it, peel it, and this is my dough. It has rested for some time now, so I'm just going to clean that again. So I've already put my oil on the fire. I'm waiting for it to get hot. While I'm waiting for it to get hot, I'm going to prepare my egg rolls. I'm just going to cut that into small balls, round balls. So I have 7 eggs. I want 7 dough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll just roll with my hands. Make a hole. And take my egg, put in the middle. Just take out the excess dough. If it's sticky, you can add on some flour so it doesn't get sticky. Okay guys, I'm going to do the rest off camera and I'll get back to you guys. So guys, here is the trick. I've turned down I want to turn to the lowest level. You need to make sure that your fire is really low. Really low. You have to turn down your gas to the lowest level. So once your dough is on the fire, you want to make sure that you reduce the heat to the lowest level. That is the trick, guys. So you allow it to cook without it getting burned, so the inside can be cooked also. So you're just going to be like drizzling, not really. It will take time, but it's better for you to allow it to cook than to increase the heat and it doesn't cook inside. I'm going to flip it on the other side. Just give it time to cook slowly. So guys, I guess my egg roll is ready for me to take it out. So guys, this is the egg roll. So guys, hope you enjoy watching this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to drop a comment down below this video, guys. And of course, as you do so, God bless you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button. It's just like 1 second of your time. It's right down below this video. So it's written in red. Just hit that subscribe button and support me. And as you do so, God bless you. I'll see you again in my next video.